So we go back here to John. The question of fasting and not praying. We know this authentic hadith that the first thing that a person will be asked about on the day of judgment is salah. قال صلى الله عليه وسلم أول ما يسأل عنه العبد يوم القيامة من عمله الصلاة فإن صلحت صلح سائر عمله. If it is good, then the rest of the deeds will be accepted. Imagine for your fasting, for your zakah, for your enjoining good, forbidding evil, for your being nice to your family, for giving sadaqah, you have to have salah first. The people, that's what drove the people to say, well, if you fast and you don't pray, but maybe fasting will bring the person to pray. So talking about da'wah here to Muslims, not to non-Muslims, I would encourage the person who does not pray to fast Ramadan. Even though I have to tell him that, listen, the message that I just shared with you, that come on, my brother, for this fasting to be accepted, but the chances for him to initiate salah while fasting are very high. So we shouldn't be discouraging people. Yeah, go ahead and fast. Hopefully this will drive them to pray. And we know that when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, when the person makes tawbah from not praying and he begins praying, all his bad deeds are being basically erased, but the good deeds, which is the fasting that he did without salah, will carry on. We know that. That's the cycle behind it, inshallah, brothers and sisters in Islam.